watch this video through to the end, apply everything I've shown you in said video, and you'll be able to start making money online. Today, I will be going over some platforms that I know you've never heard about before, but are worldwide available, require no skills, but will nevertheless allow you to get paid. However, just before I show you everything, if you like this type of content and you'd like to see more, then support my channel by giving this video a thumbs up below. And so you don't miss out on any future videos to come, then click on that red subscribe button and turn on the notifications, and you'll get notified whenever I upload a new video. With all of that said, let's now jump straight into the tutorial so I can show you everything. Alright, so today's strategy, guys, revolves around Splitly.com, which I think most of you have never heard about before until now. This site is designed for Amazon sellers, and it will get them more traffic, sales, and profits. So basically, sellers from Amazon come over to Splitly, pay them a small amount of money, but they get a big return on their investment, as simple as that. Now, before we go on, I need to clarify that you won't be selling anything on Amazon or whatever. Nothing like that. You can literally be a complete beginner, never made a dime online, but you will still be able to make money with this strategy, as I will show you everything you need to do. Anyways, you can see here that there are 35 million Amazon product listings. Make yours stand out with artificial intelligence. So Splitly uses artificial intelligence to get more sales, or AI for short. And here you can see that it does indeed work, as they have helped various Amazon sellers make over $250 million, which is literally insane. Furthermore, this testimonial gives you an idea of how much Splitly actually helps people and how much they make in relation to how much they have to invest. I was shocked when a simple main image test increased my sales from an average of 11 a day to 14 a day. That may not sound like much, but that results in over $4,000 extra in profit to put in my pocket each year. So this guy made an extra $4,000 thanks to Splitly. When I show you the pricing later on, you'll see that he didn't have to invest anything close to that amount, but got an excellent return of his investment nonetheless. Splitly, as you can see, has scientifically proven results, has a toolkit to suit your needs, and thanks to its AI, it removes the manual work, which are all fantastic features. Now, nearer to the bottom, you'll see that some of the world's biggest companies are on here, and they show that it's a legitimate website. However, what you need to do when you first come on here, guys, is to scroll down to the very bottom of the page, and then you click on Affiliates right over here. So, as you may guess, we will be promoting this as an affiliate, but Splitly offers you a very unique affiliate program because, as you can see, affiliates earn 100% of the first month. So you get 100% commissions in the first month, and while it is for a short term, it's still crazy. Now, if you go back over to the homepage, which, as I mentioned a minute ago, I will go over, and check this out. A single customer can get you paid up to $500. And since you earn 100% commissions, that means you get to keep all of that profit. Now, obviously, most people won't buy the most expensive enterprise plan, but regardless, this just shows you how much potential this has. Now, from my research, most people will go for the $100 growth plan, but that is still a lot of money. Just 10 people referred means that you've already made $1,000. But it's not just the prices that make Splitly amazing to promote as an affiliate. There are two other very important things. First off, Splitly, as you know, helps Amazon sellers. And the thing with Amazon sellers is that they all have huge budgets. So investing $100 in this tool will not be that much money for them, especially since it will be profitable for them. And this is the second most important part. People will actually make money by investing into Splitly, and that makes it much more tempting for people to try out. Also, if you remember that testimonial, that guy made $4,000 using Splitly, and he most likely went for the $100 plan. So as you can see, the difference between the cost and the profit is massive. And that is what makes it so good to promote, guys. Your potential customers have big budgets, and those same customers will also make money using it, which is just not the case with most other websites you can promote as an affiliate. To grab your affiliate link, what you need to do is come back over to this page and then click on Get Affiliate Link. That will now take you over to this page to log in, and you now need to click on Create Account, located just below the page, and then just enter in your details and grab that affiliate link. With that done, I will now show you where to easily find thousands upon thousands of potential customers as promised. The first way you can do this is to go over to Google and then search for most popular forums for Amazon sellers. And you can then open up any one of these pages that you find. I recommend opening up several so you find as many forums as you possibly can. For example, I opened this one up, and when I did, I obviously came across various forums where many Amazon sellers share tips and discuss selling on Amazon. And to us, all of these people are potential customers, and there are thousands of them. For example, I decided to open up the sub-forum for Amazon sellers on Reddit, and check this out. This alone has over 3,000 members, which is 3,000 potential customers, and literally just dozens of them signing up to your affiliate link will get you thousands upon thousands of dollars. And here's the best part. When you share your link on Reddit or any other forum that you come across, it stays here forever, so there's a chance that someone will click on it months after you shared it with others. So this will essentially work on autopilot once you share your link on all of these forums. Now, before I show you the second way to get paid, guys, here's a tip. Don't just go and share your affiliate link with these people without providing them some value first. So what you need to do is talk to these people, and only after a decent amount of time will you tell them that Splitly helped you make thousands of dollars and you just had to invest $100, for example. In this fashion, you will be able to get far more clicks on your link than just sharing it outright. In any case, this is the first way to make money with this strategy. The second way, although not on complete autopilot, might be much easier for some of you, and it involves Facebook. What you will need to do is type in Amazon sellers and then select groups right down here. This will now show you many different groups, with the majority having at the very least a few thousand members to 50,000 members or so. This group I opened up, for example, has 43,000 members alone. All of those members are potential customers, and what you want to do from here is just simply join all of these groups. So don't just focus on one group in particular. From there, just like with those forums, don't share your affiliate link right away. Start off by providing some value first. So talk to all of these people, and only after some time will you tell them that you have been using a tool for some time and that it helped you make a lot more money. And then just leave your affiliate link there. And many people will be intrigued and will want to check this out, with some of them paying Splitly since it can actually make them more money. This in turn will make you money as well, so everyone wins. Now, with all of that said, guys, I recommend you use both of these methods I showed you today, as that way you will be reaching far more people. And obviously, the more people you reach, the more money you will make. In any case, however you want to do it, you've seen it yourselves. This strategy has huge potential to make you a lot of money online, that's for sure. And with that said, this is it for today's video, guys. As always, if you liked it and you are enjoying my content, then be sure to give this video a thumbs up below to support my channel. And in case you don't want to miss any future videos just like this one, click on that red subscribe button and turn on the notifications, and you'll be notified whenever a new video pops up. As always, thank you all for watching, and I'll see you soon.